All right, Sid. First of all, I don't know what this C is. Those are got to be numbers. Oh, is this supposed to be a combustion reaction? Oh, I just figured it out. Okay, so we're looking at numbers in here. Now, I told you to break this OH apart, but that's not true in this case because I didn't look at it carefully enough. It's a combustion reaction, so this OH is not a polyatomic ion. So we're going to do it like we did the one 2 days ago, where we actually probably needed to use halves. Now, I haven't done the question yet, but let's see what happens. All right, let's write in red. We've got C, we've got H, we've got O, we've got C, H, and O. And remember, this side, when we have a combustion reaction, it's always 1, 2, 3. All right, 2, 5, 6 H's, and 3 O's. Again, we're leaving these O's for last because they're in two places. They're here and here. All right, let's tackle the carbons. We'll take a 2, we'll put it here. Recount everything. 2 carbons, 5 oxygens, and 2 hydrogens. And I got the 5 from here. Get a little pointer so you can see. We got 2 times 2, and then 1 more over here, so that's 5. All right, now the hydrogens don't match, so let's go fix that. We're going to put a 3 in front of this. Recount everything. Do not try to piecemeal it together. Always cross these guys off and recount. So I've got 2 carbons. I got 4 oxygens. Again, let me get my pointer out so you can see. We got 4 oxygens here, and we got 3 oxygens there. So that's going to give me 7 oxygens. 7 oxygens. And I've got 6 hydrogens. Yep, exactly what I thought. So now the carbons match and the hydrogens match. Look, carbon, carbon, hydrogen, hydrogen. We don't want to mess with those. But we have an oxygen that's by itself right here. So I need a number that's going to be multiplied by this 2. Don't worry about this 3 right now, okay? We have 1 oxygen right here. So really we have 2 oxygens here. We need to get 2 oxygens plus this 2 times what number? So I already know what the number is. It's hard not to say what it is out loud. All right, 2 times what number plus the 1 oxygen is going to give you 7. All right? So 2 times what number plus that 1 oxygen, because there's the plus sign, right? So don't forget, we got to add that oxygen, is going to give us 7. Well, if hopefully you're smart enough and you figured it out, it's going to